Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. It is the first day of spring. I'm excited. This is my favorite time of year in terms of the garden. And today, we're going to do another buy it or build it. This is something that you're all familiar with. It is an eggshell carton. It's a little bit windy out here today, so I hope that I'm coming through okay on my audio. So basically, I'm going to show you how you can grow a few vegetables in your garden for $1. It's $1. So basically, it's pretty simple. Boom. I've taken the top off of this eggshell carton and I ripped off the side. The side goes on the bottom for extra support. And I threw in the soil. Now, went to the dollar store. I picked these out. There's a lot to choose from, but you can do, excuse me, 3 of these. And if you do 2 rows each, or you can split this up any kind of way you want. You can do 3, you can do 4. It's up to you. I chose cucumbers, cantaloupe, sweet corn, and tomatoes. Just push your finger down about 1/2 inch. Put the seeds in, cover the seeds, water them. Now you have to make sure that you keep this moist because you don't have a lot of soil. Keep it warm, keep it moist. The germination time is going to be different for each of these seeds. They should be okay in this carton for a couple of weeks. When they get too small for the carton, if you don't want to buy containers, you have options. This is a cottage cheese container. I always forget to tell people to put drainage in, so there's drainage holes in here. Trust me. Okay, here's one. Don't forget to put your drainage holes. And again, you can find containers around the house. You don't have to spend money for them. I'll give you a couple more examples. I'm growing strawberries in here, and also a couple in here from seed. And if you are familiar with my channel, then you'll notice this. I use these a lot. We're drinking a lot of coffee. I use these, and in some cases, depending upon what you're growing, that can be your permanent container. Now, in addition to reminding you guys about drainage holes, I want to give you another word of advice. And that is, if you can, stay clear of these. It's the same size, but there's a big difference. These are clear. Clear containers can be used, but here's the problem. The sun will dry them out quickly. And in some cases, you will get algae. So if this is all you have, then by all means use it. But if you can find other containers, this is just a small sample of what I use. This was a lunch meat container. This one had mushrooms, and we've already covered this one over here. So, you know, the one thing these all have in common is that they're all fruit grade. And that's pretty much it. If you're getting the seeds for $1/4 a pack, and you're getting the A container for free, and you're getting all these other containers for free, then you're all set. I do have a video on free nutrients that you can get from around your house. And I'm going to do a second one. I'm going to do it following this video as a reminder of the nutrients you can use to help your plants to grow, your vegetables to grow. And I'll put that up following this one. So that's it. Siren's getting closer. I'm going to end this video. Catch you guys on the next one. Please hit that bell to get notifications and subscribe if you haven't. Guys, have a great day.